plenty of players participating perfectly at precipitous Peter Pan Park. Where are y'all from?
Kansas, western Kansas.
Eldon, Missouri. Kansas. Nashville.
Nashville, all right. So this isn't your first GVO, is it?
No, this is my fourth.
Fourth?
Fourth, fifth.
Fourth, fifth?
First.
Oh boy, happy to have you here. What do you think of the courses? What's your favorite so far?
I love them. Pan's my favorite.
Oh my, yeah, that's what everyone says. Pan is amazing, awesome course.
I like Clovercliff.
Clovercliff was fun, yeah, in the trees, yeah. This is the legendary Monkey Island. There are primates. So we have primates at Precipitous Peter Pan Park. Y'all doing all right?
Doing
We're doing well, man.
Good. Where's everybody from?
Colorado, baby. Part of the Colorado crew.
Estonia. Colorado.
Colorado.
All right. What do y'all think of the courses?
Love the
Awesome.
band.
How long have you been in town?
Thursday.
Yeah, came in on Monday and drove here. It was great.
Awesome, awesome. What's your favorite course so far?
Olpe.
Opie, yeah.
Probably this one.
So, yeah, Peter Pan's been the most popular.
Peter
aren't
Pan's
you, so far?
awesome, but I played Clovercliff on Saturday. I really like Clovercliff.
Clovercliff's fun too. So I'm back in my car because I got cold, but it looked like everyone had an amazing time out here at Peter Pan Park. When I was interviewing people throughout the week, they would always say their favorite course was right here at Peter Pan. So this is an awesome course. Definitely a great opportunity to play this one for the C tier. So definitely check it out if you're in town. But I'm cold, so I'm gonna go get some coffee.